right, Missy.
And Olympic champion in a time of 58.33 seconds, representing the United States of America, Missy.
Mesdames et messieurs, Ligue nationale des États-Unis d'Amérique.
You see, by the dawn's early light, what so proudly we held at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land